Abaserikale bagadde enguudo zonna ezituuka e Namugongo kuba emmotoka ne boodabooda nga kati abagendayo batambuza bigere.
To a member of the public that let them come and renew their faith because we want peace in this country. Be confident that we are providing security. They should abide by the advice that are being given by the officers, but mindful of themselves with their property, because not all those who come here come to renew their faith. Others come to steal, others come to do wrong things. So they should be watchful. We have registered about 80 cases of criminality, stealing of phones. That means there still could be other people within the community here that are still, trying to hit their target. So let us be mindful of our neighbor.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.